Today we will demonstrate how to connect the remote on wire to multiple amplifiers. For this video, we will be connecting the Fusion MS RA770 Marine Stereo to Signature amplifiers and Apollo amplifiers. You will need to connect the blue remote on wire differently depending on how many amplifiers you have in your system. First, we will connect the remote on wire to one amplifier. Loosen the screw on the remote on port. This port is located near the amplifier's power and ground connections on Fusion amplifiers. Run the remote on wire directly to your amplifier's remote on port. Tighten the screw to hold the wire in place. You can connect the remote on wire from one amplifier to another amplifier. You will need to use a 30 amp relay if you are connecting 3 or more amplifiers. First, connect the relay to the power and the ground of your power source. Then, connect the remote on wire to the switch port on the relay. Now you can run wires from the low current out to each amplifier, or run from the relay to the 3 or more amplifiers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.